Hi, my name's Scott Warner. I'm from Sandy, Utah, and I'm a student of the loan signing system. I'm only 26 years old, and I've been a student for 3 years. And in that time, the loan signing system has changed my life. In the year 2022, I made $76,895 here in Utah. And it's a lot of money for someone here in Utah. Most of my friends don't make that kind of money. And because of that kind of money that I've been able to make with the loan signing system over the past 3 years, I was able to put a down payment on my house and buy a house where most of my friends aren't even close to being able to do that. So it's changed my life. It's worth the money. The 5 signings that I did to pay for it have long since passed. I've now done thousands of signings and found a career and a business opportunity that could last a lifetime, that has changed my life both financially and individually. There are now days that I make $500 in a day. I make that course money back in one day, and that's a game changer. I grew up with a single mother who could never believe the money I kind of make now and the opportunities that I've been able to have because of the loan signing system. To give you a little background, 3 years ago, in December of 2019, I graduated from college with a degree in business with an emphasis in entrepreneurship, and I was trying to figure out what kind of business I was going to start. I'd been looking at a lot of different things, potentially looking at different options. I'd been working some side jobs, trying to just side hustle to raise the money and try to figure out what I was going to do business-wise. And then this crazy thing called COVID happened, and suddenly the world was changing, and I was trying to find something that I could do to make money in an economy that had never been experienced before by anyone. Nothing that I'd been taught in school could prepare me for it. In my life experience, up until that point, I had no idea what could really happen. And so I discovered the loan signing system. And I was like, wow, $500, that's a lot of money for me. But if Mark says you can make $75 to $150 per signing, well, worst case scenario, I only have to do 5 signings. If I hate it, I'm out and I won't have to worry about it again. Well, I'm glad I took the risk. I'm glad I jumped over the fence and made that investment, because it was not just an investment in trying to some new business model or something like that. It was an investment in myself. It transformed the way I thought about business, transformed the way I thought about marketing and relationships and doing business to business marketing, and how to serve my community and to give back. The community that exists within the loan signing system is like no other community that I've ever been a part of. And it's been transformational for me, but I've also been able to help transform other people's lives because of the skills that I've been taught and the things that I've learned about money and about finance and about business through running my own business, but also helping other people develop and run their businesses. So if you're on the fence in any way, shape, or form, make the leap, make the jump. You may discover something that will change your life like it changed mine and will be the beginning of your journey. I know my journey is not complete. I'm still working. I'm still hustling. I'm still trying to learn and grow and become better and better, to make even more money, to make myself even more valuable. And so I'm so deeply grateful for Mark Wills and his willingness to create the course and create the community for each of us to come to and to be part of, and that has transformed my life and transformed the lives of other people. So if you're wanting to transform your life, it's a great opportunity. It's the best $500 I've ever spent, best $500 you can spend if you're willing to make the time and the effort to invest in yourself and improve yourself to become something better than you are.